Welcome back to Theresa's Dead. My name is Theresa and I'm very much
Hams. Hi, how are you?
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Hi! So welcome to, what is this? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. If you've never heard of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and if you've been living under a rock, well, let me tell you a little bit about it.
All the faves you love, full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized, full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 of your 5 products each month.
So with that said, what annoys me about this particular bag is that I didn't get notified when I could pick anything. So I happened to just go on the Ipsy site to see like, oh, what exactly is going on? Because technically I canceled my subscription in January since I was moving, so it didn't really kind of make sense for me to get a box, considering that, you know, I'm moving and they could get lost, whatever, right? When I ordered this for February, they just never told me. So by the time I logged in and everything, they've already shipped this shit out. I also joined Glam Bag X, and I think in theory I should have gotten that. They charged me, but they never sent it. So I gotta call them and sort that out. But yeah, Ipsy is just kind of getting increasingly more expensive, and the products that they do give you are really shitty. But I love unboxing these things because I just love disappointment. It's relatable content in 2022, actually in 2021 as well as 2020. It's pretty much my whole life. It's been a whole bevy of disappointment, and that's why I love Ipsy so much. So let's see what the fuck is in our bag. Oh, okay. So this month's theme is full hearts, which pretty much goes in line with, you know, Valentine's Day and all that other bullshit. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Ew. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with a favorite rom-com. Who the fuck writes these? Treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. Oh. Okay, so on the inside of it, we have the Ipsy Make It Black, how to support Black entrepreneurs this month. Okay, that's cool. All right, so this one says, in honor of Black History Month, Ipsy is proud to stand with Make It Black, donating 100% of net proceeds from IM bundles to the Pull Up for Change Small Business Impact Fund. This fund provides startup grants to Black businesses in an effort to create more capital opportunities for Black founders, featuring brands like Morphe, Mented Cosmetics, Oma Beauty, Briogeo. Our limited edition bundles are available to shop on February 2nd until they're sold out. Developed by Pull Up for Change, Make It Black teams up with some of your favorite brands to redefine what it means to be Black. Okay, so that's really fucking cool. And I wish they did a better job of communicating this. And maybe it's just me, but I don't remember receiving any sort of emails, one, about what the fuck is in this bag or like what I can pick, but also this. I think it would have been cooler to take it one step further and make the bag more in line with this instead of some shitty fucking Valentine's Day thing. With that said, I usually fucking hate the little insert here. Definitely hate the text here, but I think this is really cool. I just don't think they marketed it very well. I don't remember seeing anything. But let me know in the comments if you did get emails from Ipsy. I know I didn't, so. So the first product is from YENSA Beauty, and this is the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. So this retails for $48, and what it does is, using this anti-aging moisturizer in your routine is like hitting the reset button on your skin. It contains antioxidant-rich pink lotus extract and firming peptides to help brighten and smooth tired and crepey skin. Okay, all right. I've never tried anything from YENSA Beauty, so, but you know what? We'll give this a fucking roll and see how it works, but love the presentation and the packaging of it. Moving on. This is from Terre de Mars. Never heard of this fucking brand in my life. This retails for $25. This is a full size. This is an eye cream. It's called the Variance Eye Contour. And what it does is the hero ingredient in this eye cream is coffee. It helps boost circulation to depuff bags and minimize dark circles. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants and fatty acids to help smooth and protect your delicate eye skin. Okay, all right. You know, it's funny. I feel like with eye creams, like I've tried quite a few, and the one that I really love, obviously, is the most fucking inexpensive one in the universe, which is Chantecaille. But I have tried stuff from Tatcha and even like Inky List and whatever. And like I honestly never really felt like it did anything except for the Chantecaille one and the Ola Henriksen Wrinkle Blur. Those are the two things I feel like actually do something. Oh wait, and my Chia. Okay, so there's technically 3 different products. We're gonna give it a whirl, see how it works, but yeah, I have no expectation. Okay, so the next product is technically, I'm not even sure if you could actually see this off my background, but hold on, we'll just put it over this pink thing here. There are actually 3 different brushes, which I'm kind of surprised that they're so small. Usually the brushes are like super fucking big, but anyway, well, let's see what this bullshit is. This is from a brand called Firma Beauty. Never heard of it. Are we surprised? No. And this set actually retails for $24.99, which, not gonna lie, I'm actually a little surprised because I feel like anytime there's brushes included in Ipsy, it's usually like $900. And I'm like, for what? Tell me, because I don't fucking know. These are 3 obviously full-size brushes. Add detail to your eyes and lips with a trio of brushes. Each one is ultra precise, so you can tap, blend, and build your favorite pigments like a pro. Okay, so they don't tell you what they are, so we're just gonna assume, I'm gonna assume here. 301 looks like it's tiny. I'm not sure if you could fucking see this. Looks like a concealer brush. The 205 looks like, I don't know, like, I don't even know what the fuck this is. It's like a little dome, potentially probably for the outer corner. This would work well if someone has hooded eyes like myself. And then here it looks like brow brush, but for me, I'd probably use it as a liner. The number 206. The bristles feel pretty nice. Yeah, I'm actually not upset about this. It's probably the first thing that I'm like, okay, I could fuck with this. Everything else has kind of been like, this though, not mad about. All right, okay, all right. Oh God. The next thing is from the Clear Skin Club, and this is a vitamin C brightening booster. I've never heard of this brand. This is retails for 50 bucks, and this is described as vitamin C along with pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together in a powerful serum to help fade hyperpigmentation and boost your skin's glow. Okay, you know what? I don't know. I'm trying to be optimistic, but I'm just like, I know I'm just gonna give this to my friend. Okay. And this, I guess, is like the crown and jewel of this fucking bag. It's from a brand called Ditto, and this is the MUSE palette. This retails for $30, and this pretty palette is full of pink, berry, and coral shades in a variety of finishes. Ooh, a matte cream shimmer and glitter that you'll love. They're highly pigmented, easy to blend and build, and go on super smooth. Okay, so let's check that out. Oh, okay. That's actually a really pretty cover. All right, okay. Oh no, I hate it. Oh, I like the outside. The inside is like, ew. First of all, ew. Okay, so that's a pressed glitter. We're not even gonna touch that. And it's already like infecting the other fucking shades, so that's cool. But I kind of want to just touch my, okay. Smooth, smooth. What? It looks like it's gonna be intense. You know what this looks like? Oh God. You know, like those really shitty red and green sprinkle sparkles? Kind of like if you're making sugar cookies and you kind of fuck them up by burning them. So instead of just like, you know, throwing them away, you just decide to put red and green weird sparkle glitter on top of it to try to save it, but everyone knows that you burnt them. That's what this looks like. It just looks like the red sparkles. Okay. This is kind of weird. Ooh. Oh. Okay, first of all, this feels, ooh, it kind of feels like rubber. Okay, it looks super pigmented. Oh no. Okay, let's try the red one. All right, that looks like that should have good payoff. Okay, that one has good payoff. Sort of, it looks very splotchy. Okay, let's try this one. Ow, that one is sharp. That bitch is sharp. Let's put it on my palm. Usually the palm is pretty pigmented. Okay, oh, I don't know. It doesn't look so bad, but it's just like, what the fuck is that? What is that? Let's see, what else could we fuck up? Okay, fine. Ew. I know I wasn't gonna touch the glitter, but I needed to touch the glitter. I hate it. Oh. This is fucking terrible. Why? Why? How is it something looking so cute? Produce this. No, this is fucking gross. I hate it. I hate it. I wish I never did that. Oh, fuck me. Ew. Ew. My fingers look so pigmented, but my hands look like shit. Okay. Needless to say, I guess there's a reason why I never heard of this brand. And into the trash you go. That's just bad. That's bad for business. Okay. Okay. All right, the only thing that I'm super excited about, the brushes, I have some use for that. This is disgusting. This is fucking awful. I hate it. I hate every second of it. This, it's an eye cream. Like, I don't want an eye cream, but okay, thank you for giving me one. This one could be interesting. I don't know too much about the brand. I've heard of them. That's probably the only brand I have heard from this whole bunch is this one. Part of me wonders if they are an MLM because I feel like, or is it a different brand am I thinking of that's like an MLM but has like a similar name? You know what I mean? Anyway, that's what I thought of. And Clean Skin Club. Okay, whatever. This has to be by far the worst Ipsy bag I've ever received. You know what's funny? How much I spent on this bag, I think it was like, I'm gonna pop the number here. I wanna say it's like maybe about 30 bucks or whatever. This is the only thing that was worth it, and these are technically $24.99. So I lost money. Lost money considering how much garbage is in this fucking bag. This is bad. I remember when Ipsy was good and then they were bad and then they were good and then they were bad and then they were good, but now they're bad and they're really fucking bad. They need to reevaluate some things here because one, you need to fucking tell people when you can pick the things. The fact that you chose this for me really says something, okay? Basically, Ipsy's telling me to go fuck myself. That's what this whole bag is. It's like, we've seen your videos, Theresa. You're not funny, bitch. And I'm like, all right, I got it. Take my $30, okay? I'll happily take my 3 brushes that I'll probably fucking forget about anyway. This is garbage. This is trash. I can't wait for next month. Let me know down below if you got Ipsy and what was in your bag because it probably is so much better than my fucking bag. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really angry, really gross, really nasty garbage but afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces and I can't wait to gobble you all up. And yeah, I just love you. And if you want to know, actually there's nothing on my nails because I'm still unpacking. So we're gonna go with the naked nails today. And hopefully next month things will be a little bit better. But yeah, this was trash. I'm really mad about it. This was really awful. Really annoyed about this one. This one was garbage. Bye kids. Honk honk.